Namaskar and beauties! So today I have decided to do my own meditating series. And I know it may sound weird for me to do it because I'm a kid, but it's not only for parents, it can be for kids and teenagers. And it's really good to meditate because if you feel stressed or upset or you just want to relax, you want to do meditation. You want to do some meditating. Meditating is good for your mind and your body, and it's really easy to do. So if you want to meditate, you might want to pick a nice and quiet spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go outside right here and do it right now. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have a mat out. And what you want to do is cross your legs and relax your arms like this. And if it's your first time, you might want to think of something positive. And so you can do it for however long, but I'm going to do mine for 5 minutes. Okay, so when you're meditating, you want to focus on your breathing. So it's basically going to look like this. Okay guys, meditating starts in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so that was our 3-minute meditation. So after that, you might want to do some stretches because you've been sitting cross for a while. So I'm going to do it. Okay, so today's positive message is if you feel stressed or overwhelmed, it's normal. Just find a quiet place, quiet and calm place to relax and just take a deep breath and enjoy yourself. Okay guys, as you can see, it's getting dark, so I'm going to quickly end this. I hope you guys like this 3-minute video, and I am dedicated to my wellness and your guys', my aim Beauties. And so I'm going to be doing this regularly, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Can we get to 100 likes? And when you hit the bell, you'll be always notified of when I do this. Bye! Name right here. It's on every single scrunchie. I like